Pwede may chururot ano na lang. De, kasi ever since naman ang buong thesis ng trilogy is find the parallelisms between the past and the present. So, wala siyang specific about choosing the right leaders, but it's about trying to find what has changed and what has not changed ever since. Palaging ganun siya. So, hopefully, pag napanood niyo yung pelikula at parang natali niyo na lahat yung buong tema ng tatlong pelikula, hopefully that's enough to inform people kung ano yung pwede nilang baguhin sa sarili nila and kung meron silang kayang gawin para mabago yung sistema, ganun. But also, it's a way, pero isang mababaw na ano lang na part. We've always wanted to make history entertaining and compelling to audiences kasi ever since hindi naman talaga malaking bagay yung history sa Filipino citizen kasi hindi natuturo sa atin ng parang yun na. Yung kung paano mo itatali yung past and present, hindi masyadong natuturo sa atin. It's always about names and dates and yung heroism. Pero in this case, we're hoping na magsimula tayo i-question kung ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng bayani, ng pagkabayani, and kung ano yung mga roots ng mga bagay na nakikita natin ngayon, kung saan sila nanggaling. Kasi merong mga malilinaw na threads kung saan sila nanggaling.
Na sana maging relevant at hindi lang mga minimemorize para maka-answer sa mga test.
Yes, exactly.
Diba? So, paano to maisa sa buhay, lalo-lalo na ngayon. Thank you for that question. Next.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Ika Oliveros Chang from Team Teacher. In this day and age of an ever-changing landscape in social media and being at the dawn of AI, how important is a historical film like Quezon?
Nice. That's a good question. Producers and directors as well, no? Sorry. Yeah, Daphne, in an age of AI, bakit importante ang historical film? Or Jake, would you like to
Thank you,
add
Jake.
Fact checking, right? I mean,
Fact checking.
I use that for me as an actor. For example, when I was given the screenplay, for me, this is a personal thing that I do. I input the script, and then I put all the historical write-ups about Quezon. And then the app that I use, the Google Notebook, helps me make an arc for my character, and then I can have a conversation with the AI.
That's a good prep.
Yeah. It is.
Using
For me,
technology now to help you prep. Nice.
Yeah, that's what I do. But it's not for everybody, but it helps me for research.
Oh, but I want to touch on that. Again, historical film direct. I think this should go to you. Dapat bang mawala mga historical film, especially when it comes to this age and technology?
AI is very useful as a tool. Basically anywhere. Pag nagsusulat, pag nagpipitch ka, it's very useful as a tool. Pero once you start relying on it for historical facts, it's never reliable.
Nawawala yung humanity.
And when you ask it to create something for you, then hindi na yun. Hindi na yun tama. Pero as a tool to help you make some shortcuts in your research, ganun. And siguro in conceptualizing stuff, yes. Pero yun nga, yung the act of creation itself, it still should be a very human na activity.
May